We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 22 foot Deckover with 8-inch I-beam. This does come with an adjustable coupler, a heavy duty jack, as well as safety chains. It's made of 8-inch I-beam. Does have your tie down points, spare tire holder, as well as the breakaway box. Does have D-rings, stake pockets along the side. Again, this is a Deckover. It is a tandem axle with two 5,200-pound axles, greasable. This is made of pressure-treated wood flooring. It does have a dovetail for easier loading. It has 5-foot tall stand-up ramps. Does come wired with LED drive lights. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 22 foot Deckover trailer with the 8-inch I-beam. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.